What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your Volkswagen GTI mirror. It's a very common problem because while this car gets older, this mirror can fall off or break or something. So the first thing you gotta do is push it in and try to get your fingers behind this. Be very careful and then just pop it off. And then, come show that. You just unplug this from the back. Like that. And then once you got your new mirror, make sure to put these back on. Just push them, plug them in. Make sure they're all the way in. And you just push your mirror in until it clicks. Like that. And that's how you install your new mirror.